Plant FAQs, Platycerium Holttumii. Platycerium Holttumii, your guide to this majestic staghorn fern. Hi there, Ferbu here, and I'm a huge enthusiast of all things ferns. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of Platycerium Holttumii, also known as the elkhorn fern or simply the staghorn fern. This epiphytic fern, meaning it grows on other plants in the wild, boasts a captivating form and is a popular choice for indoor gardeners. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with all the knowledge you need to cultivate a thriving Platycerium Holttumii. Platycerium Holttumii is a large and visually striking fern belonging to the Polypodiaceae or fern family. It's native to Southeast Asia, particularly regions like Vietnam and Malaysia, where it thrives in warm, humid environments. One of the most captivating features of this fern is its unique foliage. It comprises two distinct types of fronds. Shield fronds. These sterile fronds are flat, round, and tightly pressed against the surface the fern mounts on. They act as anchors and help absorb moisture and nutrients. Fertile fronds. These upright fronds are much larger and boast a graceful, forking structure. They produce spores for reproduction and add a dramatic, antler-like flair to the plant. Platycerium Holttumii versus other staghorn ferns. There are several staghorn fern varieties, and Platycerium Holttumii is often confused with its close relative, Platycerium bifurcatum. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. Size. Platycerium Holttumii generally grows larger, with fertile fronds reaching up to 2 meters compared to Platycerium bifurcatum's 1 meter. Fertile frond shape. Platycerium Holttumii's fertile fronds are more prominently forked, with deeper divisions, while Platycerium bifurcatum's have shallower cuts. Shield fronds. Platycerium Holttumii's shield fronds are typically rounder and more oppressed, whereas Platycerium bifurcatum's can be slightly elongated. Is Platycerium Holttumii easy to care for? Absolutely. This fern is known for its resilience and thrives with minimal TLC. Here's what you need to know. Light. Platycerium Holttumii prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the fronds. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of the mounting medium feels dry. Opt for rainwater or filtered water, as tap water can be high in minerals that harm the fern. Humidity. Mimic its natural habitat by providing moderate to high humidity levels, around 50 to 70%. Misting regularly or using a humidifier are effective strategies. Temperature. Platycerium Holttumii flourishes in warm temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or cold drafts. Fertilization. While not strictly necessary, a weak, balanced fertilizer applied monthly during the growing season can encourage lush growth. How do I mount my Platycerium Holttumii? Mounting your Platycerium Holttumii is a crucial step, as it doesn't grow in soil. Here are popular options. Cork bark mounts. This classic choice provides excellent support and drainage. Coconut husk mounts, a natural and sustainable option with good moisture retention. Driftwood mounts, offers a rustic aesthetic and allows for creative placement. Secure the fern's base to the mount using fishing line or wire, ensuring the shield fronds are in close contact with the surface. Can I propagate Platycerium Holttumii? Yes, you can propagate your Platycerium Holttumii through spore division. However, this method is time-consuming and requires sterile conditions. A simpler approach is through offsets or pups, small fernlets that emerge from the base of the mature plant. Carefully detach the offset with a sharp, sterile knife, ensuring it has some roots. Mount it on a separate medium and provide the same care as the mother plant. Common problems with Platycerium Holttumii. While generally low maintenance, there are a few potential issues to watch out for. Brown fronds. This can indicate underwatering, excessive sunlight, or mineral buildup from tap water. Yellowing fronds. Older fronds naturally yellow and die off. However, excessive watering or lack of humidity can also cause premature yellowing. Pests and diseases. Mealybugs and scale can infest your fern. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Fungal diseases due to overwatering can cause root rot. Isolate the plant, remove damaged parts, and improve air circulation. Enjoying your Platycerium Holttumii. With its architectural form and lush foliage, Platycerium Holttumii adds a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. By following these simple care tips, you can cultivate a healthy and thriving specimen that will grace your home for years to come. Remember, patience is key with this slow-growing fern. The reward is a truly unique and majestic addition to your plant collection.